Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'll share my experience using a Blender mindset to learn Unreal Engine. Let's get started. Today we'll be focusing on a flag prop that I created while working on an online tutorial. While the tutorial in question used stencils to achieve the same result and is more efficient, I wanted to see how I could potentially create a unique material which combined two textures within the material itself using both Unreal and Blender. In Blender, I duplicated the cloth material and connected texture coordinates and mapping nodes to a texture that provided the emblem image. I then used a add node to combine them with an aligned emblem on the flag's surface. Unreal Engine takes a different approach. I created a master material with scroll images for easy visualization and used the text coordinate nodes to get texture coordinates to prevent tiling. I implemented a mask node so that the seal will be overlaid over the background and employed a lerp node to blend between both layers. In order to control how the image was placed on the flag, I manually aligned and resized the UVs for the model. While both approaches involve combining textures, there are key differences. In Blender, every material needs individual modifications if you need to make changes across various materials. In Unreal, I focus on a master material with instances, which makes changes across multiple materials faster since additional nodes can be easily added or removed from the master material. The node naming and functionality also differs between the two softwares. Using a Blender mindset while learning Unreal Engine helped me understand the underlying logic behind the node-based workflows. While there are differences in the approach, both softwares share common goals of creating visually appealing and interactive content. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.